Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys yet another curly video. This is definitely giving curly girl summer. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this 100% glueless unit, make sure you keep on watching. So straight into it, thank you Sunber for sponsoring this video. This is my first time ever working with them, so I was excited about that. But I will be wearing their reddish brown Jerry Curly pre-cut glueless lace closure unit. And just the specs on the hair, this is already pre-cut. The lace is pre-plucked as well and straight out the pack. Just showing you guys the features: 3 combs for security, breathable cap, and also an elastic band for extra security. And as you guys can see, we have that pre-cut and pre-plucked lace. Now, I did go ahead and wash this unit, well, co-wash it, and I bleached those knots, slicked my edges back, and we're gonna get into styling this unit. So just some other details on the hair. This is 150% density, and I'm also wearing the 24-inch unit. And you don't have to go ahead and straighten out your roots like I'm doing. That's just something that I prefer to do, and to each its own. Everyone has their preferences. But I love these ready to wear units. It's very beginner friendly for my girls who may just be getting into wearing wigs, or girls who simply just don't feel like plucking or cutting that lace. This is straight out the box, ready to wear. And girl, I promise, if it wasn't for me liking to wash and co-wash my units before wearing them, I probably wouldn't even bleach my knots. But just because I knew I was going to wash this unit anyways, I just was like, let me just bleach the knots and kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So that's what I went ahead and did. And I didn't do anything else to this unit other than that. I didn't pluck it any more than it was already plucked. I didn't cut the lace no more than what it was already cut to. I just put it on my head and did my baby hairs and, you know, things that I felt like made the unit look a little better in my opinion. And as you guys can see, I did spray some of that spray that I was using to secure my baby hairs, just because I was having just a little bit of a hard time blending that lace in with my skin color. And that's because I don't really wear lace anymore. I typically wear leave out. So that was the only reason I put that spray there. But other than that, I just tweaked the unit just a little, and it should be just as easy as it looks. So once I perfect my baby hairs, I'm gonna go ahead and do some light face framing layers. But I really love these curly units. They're so lightweight, and I don't feel like nothing is on my head. My lace is very secure. I can shake my hair. This wig is not going anywhere. And it just looks good. Like, look at this. I didn't sit under the dryer or anything, and it looks like it's scalping right out of my head. So once I let my hair air dry for a couple of hours, this hair took a little minute to air dry, I'm not gonna even lie. But baby, once it did, look at this color. These curls were popping. I'm talking about, look at these layers. This was just looking too good. I went ahead and separated those curls just to give it more of a natural, wilder, and bigger look, because your girl likes the big hair. I don't like tamed curly hair. I want it wild, I want it big, I want it messy. So this style literally was probably gonna last me for a good 4 days because I made sure those curls were nice and clumped together. But girl, I'm shaking my hair, I'm doing all type of stuff to show y'all this wig is not going anywhere, and I'm showing you guys that I can even remove it and it's still not gonna go anywhere even when I shake it. So that pretty much concludes this video. If you have any interest in this unit, make sure you check out the description box below. I will have everything linked, also with some coupon codes and just some other things that Sunber has on their site. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.